Hey, how's it going? Today is a great day, as my daughter likes to say. It's a great day to have a great day. I have a really great video for you where I feel like it's going to be able to cover any audience, right? It's really going to focus on, as my motto is saying, count the cost. It's going to be cost cutting. It's going to be ways to save. So check out my video today as I focus on the 6 ways that you can save, not tomorrow, not next week, but today. So welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Dondre Brown, the financial facilitator. If you haven't had a chance to, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the like button, add comments. I really want you to be able to comment because I want to cover topics that you want me to cover. And for me, I love to be transparent and give you information that you need. So make sure you go into the comment section and let me know if you have any questions. But today, I don't want to stall any longer. I really want to focus on 6 different ways that you can save. So if you are in a situation right now where you're making money, right, and you have to pay bills, and you're like, man, I cannot find any way to save money. My motto is you can always find ways to save. It's just going to take a little sacrifice. So some of these you may not agree with, but for me, it's like, do you want to save or do you not want to save, right? I tell people short-term sacrifice for long-term gain. So let's jump in. The first one is for people that either have kids or they love to feed their kids, right? Or feed other people's kids, right? We have aunties, uncles, godparents out there that want to take their kids out. So the very first one is places where kids eat for free, right? Think about places where your kids can eat for free. If you don't know, Google it. Google is my best friend. I will Google places where kids eat free. Even if you don't go out a lot, when you want to treat yourself, your family, check out some free places, right? You'll come to know that on Wednesdays, sometimes they offer free dinner for kids. They offer free dessert. These are cost-saving strategies, so keep that in mind. For my kids, I may be driving and may not want to cook one night. Instead of paying a lot for extra fast food, I'll take them to a restaurant and they can eat for free. It's a good deal for everyone. The next one I feel like is like the most popular one, which are gym memberships, right? Gym memberships. Some of y'all are probably still holding on to the gym membership that you got at the beginning of this year and you ain't been able to use. I know some of it has been because of the pandemic, but you also have to consider how frequently you use those. So instead of getting rid of them and scrapping them up, you might want to call your health insurance provider and ask them, do they provide any health or wellness benefits, right? It could include a discount on a gym membership. Other things you can do is home workouts, right? Some of you are probably sitting at home right now watching this video where you can be doing some push-ups right now, watching the video. You can be doing some sit-ups, listening to the video. Right? There's so many things you can do at home that will cut the cost of the gym membership. But then another thing that you can do is, which is awesome, is grab some friends, grab some family. Hey, friends and family, like we should work out together at least 2 or 3 times a week. I've been checking the internet and seeing little groups come together and work out outside. I think that's a really beautiful thing. So keep those things in mind. You can cut the cost on your gym membership. The other next one is, this might not be that popular, but I've come to learn that you can cut costs by buying less paper towels, right? I know, paper towels. There's some studies out there that say people typically spend over $200 annually on paper towels, right? You don't have to completely get rid of them, but you can supplement them with regular towels, right? But if, friends, family come over, you want to have events and use paper towels, you can have those in your storage as backup. But overall, you can cut the cost with doing things like that or looking at your shopping altogether, which leads to off-season shopping. Yes, the next one is off-season shopping, right? So what I'm going to do in the comment or the description below, I'm going to leave a link which outlines per month items that are typically on sale, right? So instead of waiting until Christmas time to buy Christmas gifts, you can start right now. Right? One of the things I love to do is comb the internet, comb stores to see if I can start, buying stuff right now, because businesses know that a lot of us are going to wait until the last minute, so those prices go up. Don't let them go up. Buy it right now. The next thing is cut your cable bill. Yeah, cut it. I can't say it any more plain than that. Cut your cable bill. Most of us are really busy to where we don't watch live TV, right? We want our TV on demand, or we want our TV or our television in a bulk, right? We want to be able to watch everything. You want to be able to be real with yourself and say, how frequently am I watching TV, right? Can I live without live TV? Can I just get a Netflix, Hulu subscription? Because that will cut some costs. Yes, you may increase some costs for internet, but overall, cable on average is over $100, right? So if you can find some internet that is less than $100 a month, then you are saving plus some subscription. Me personally, I love to share subscriptions with family members. So if I have a Netflix account, some friends and family can also go on that account as well. But that's the way to save. And then finally, create a spending plan, right? Who would have known that if you create a spending plan, right, where you tell your money where to go and tell your money what to do, you're more likely to save more money, right? So if you were like many Americans, when you get paid at the end of the week, end of the month, etc., you're probably in a position to say, like, where did my money go? I have no idea where my money went, right? That's because you did not give it direction. A spending plan will give your money direction. I also tell people a budget provides boundaries. So if you really want to save money, be proactive. Your discipline will save you so much money. So before you get paid, create a list of where you want your money to go, right? All of your expenses. I have to pay these things first, right? And then you list your income. And once you get paid, you execute, right? It's that simple. You go down the list, you pay it. And you have to make it that simple. I'm going to shoot a video later that talks about how to make sure your budget works for you. So stay tuned for that video. But if you've liked what I've said today, please subscribe, like, and share. This information should not only be for you, it should be for your family. Because if your family can become financially free and save, it will only empower and help you. Again, thanks for tuning in. Look for my next video, and have a great day. For more information about how to save, manage, and grow your money, click that subscribe button below.